Tonight, one man's quest to see his mom. He believes she is trapped in a system she cannot escape. A paper prison of court orders keeping her under public guardianship. It's a problem others have too. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener uncovering new details in a KMBC 9 investigation.
I have to protect myself, from any accusations that they will make against me.
Greg Lee has taken this walk several times before at Truman Lake Manor Nursing Home in Lowry City, Missouri. He just wants to see his mom.
I'm here to see Shirley Butler.
But like other times he's gone in to see her, he has to walk out without seeing her.
Oh, there's the sheriff.
This time, a nursing home worker even called a deputy as workers watched from the door.
You will be going to the St. Clair County Sheriff's Office on the grounds of trespassing.
Greg was arrested. His friend Sandra Bivens watching on with a sign that says "Free Shirley Butler." Ms. Butler, Greg's mom, is still inside.
This is guardianship in Missouri.
I'll get you, Bubba.
Greg Lee went behind bars at the St. Clair County Jail.
How can a person be arrested for trying to get into a nursing home to see their mom?
A question Sandra and Greg are asking as they try to free Shirley Butler from a paper prison of public guardianship.
I threw my mom in the fire. I thought I was helping her, and all I did was make her life hell. So I can't stop fighting now.
In 2019, Greg and his sister asked for the help of the Pulaski County Public Administrator. That's after they couldn't agree on how to handle their mom's estate. A Missouri appeals court just ruled his mother's guardianship is valid after Greg, his sister, and the public administrator have gone back and forth for years over its legality. A judge has also said the public administrator's office, including a previous administrator, has acted in Shirley Butler's best interests. A court also denied Lee his plan to move his mom into his home, issuing 3 judgments since the original guardianship placement, finding Lee was unable to care for his mother and that the guardianship in place was needed. One judgment from 2021 also says his conduct when he visited his mom was upsetting to Ms. Butler and disruptive to other residents and staff members, saying there were 20 to 30 disruptions during visits. But Greg Lee, in his own court filings, has disagreed. He believes a judge gave him clear visitation rights in a court order 4 years ago. Greg says her current guardian, public administrator Becky Allen, has kept him from seeing her. After Greg Lee was arrested trying to see his mom, we tried to get answers a few weeks later outside the Pulaski County Courthouse.
Miss Allen, my name is Matt Fleener. I work for KMBC 9 News, and I wanted to see why Shirley Butler's still under guardianship.
Becky Allen walked away.
Do you have anything to say about Mr. Lee?
KMBC 9 Investigates had already sent Allen 6 emails asking for an interview about Shirley Butler's guardianship. She sent KMBC a written statement drafted by her attorney saying a court had found her office had performed their duties, responsibilities, and care for Ms. Butler in an exemplary, professional, and efficient manner. But we wanted to get answers how often she's seen Ms. Butler and why Greg Lee can't see his mom. Later, as we were shooting video outside her office, she turned out the lights, then stood at the door waiting for her assistant. They would eventually walk out.
Miss Allen, anything to say?
In them fighting so much to keep me from seeing my mom, they've made it to where everybody's going to know.
Lee believes if he's having this much trouble seeing his mom, others may have similar problems trying to get free from public guardianship in the state of Missouri.
I won't quit. I'm not going to stop until I can save at least one person. I hope it's my mom.